And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's certainly been an active last 24 hours. Plenty of rainfall throughout the viewing area, and even starting off this morning, a couple light showers still lingering around the region. The good news is that later on this morning, we should see that cold front finally pass across the viewing area, bringing an end to our rain chances for at least now. We're looking at a much drier Tuesday ahead. As of now, still some light scattered rainfall across Benton, White, as well as Pulaski and Fulton counties. This system will continue to make its way eastward, maybe even a couple light sprinkles over Lafayette over the last hour or so. Here's your rainfall amounts, estimated rainfall amounts the last 24 hours. Some portions of the region seeing more than 2 inches of rain, including the Newton-Jasper border right around Rensselaer, just west of Rensselaer, I should say, about 2.2 inches. 2.2 inches across parts of Pulaski County, just around 2 inches south of Peru, 1.6 inches in parts of Carroll County. Here in Tippecanoe County, not quite as much, though. We did see some downpours throughout the viewing area yesterday afternoon. Now, as we go ahead in the forecast, what we're looking at, flooding concerns, continually seeing those flooding concerns, not only today, but throughout the next week or so. In fact, flood warnings out now for Newton, Jasper, as well as Tippecanoe, Warren, Fountain County, as well as White County, Carroll County, Cass, Miami, Fulton, and Pulaski counties, all under a flood warning, minor to moderate flooding across those counties, so please travel safely. If you come across a roadway that's covered in water, please turn around, find a different, safer route. Good news is we are looking to dry out for today. Unfortunately, that will only be 1 or 2 days in the forecast with drier conditions going ahead. You can see the gloomy start to the day so far. A few, once again, light sprinkles throughout the region. 68 degrees right now. Winds from the north 10 miles per hour. So a little bit breezy out there. Humidity still around 90%. And that will remain high throughout the day ahead. So we have this brief break from the rainfall. Maybe a couple more light showers for our far southern portion of the viewing area before the day is up. The rain chances return overnight tonight. We are looking at what will be a warm, stormy forecast ahead of us. However, we are looking at the possibility of an end, a definitive end to that pattern of rainfall we've been seeing so much of over the last week, week and a half. The pop-up shower and thunderstorm chances each and every day with that heat and humidity. That looks to come to an end possibly as early as next week. Up until that point, however, that cold front remains off to the south of us. A warm front flexing northward overnight tonight into tomorrow morning will bring more scattered shower and storm chances back to the region. Well, it's 79 degrees by 3 p.m., 82 degrees by 5 p.m. Your high temperature later today, that will be a degree below average for this time of the year. Will fall to 70 by 10 p.m. and bottom out at 66 overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. That warm front will pass across the viewing area tomorrow, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms along with it. The cold front passing off to the west of us will bring that risk of severe weather. What we're looking at, a slight risk of severe weather. All the yellow right here, the main threats, large hail, gusty winds, and because that cold front will be interacting with a warm, muggy air mass here at the surface, we could be looking at that chance of an isolated tornado or two tomorrow afternoon and evening as well. 80 degrees your high temperature for tomorrow. We're back up to 82 degrees on Thursday. Sporadic shower and thunderstorm chances Thursday as well, with that potential for severe weather. Friday, a couple light pop-up showers and thunderstorms before drying out a bit on Saturday. Now the sun returns on Saturday. What we'll have is a warm front flexing across the region on Friday. We'll be in the warm sector, that area of the warm, muggy air mass on Saturday, but we will remain dry that afternoon. A cold front moving in on Sunday will interact once again. That warm, muggy air mass bringing the potential for severe weather Sunday afternoon and evening. Once that cold front pushes through, I talked about the definitive end to that pattern. Things looking like they will dry out for Monday and Tuesday of next week, and some of those longer range models having much drier conditions in the forecast as well, so looking much nicer for the beginning and middle part of next week. Up until that point, have that umbrella handy.
Well, at least we're going to get some sort of break today, but you said it muggy, and as soon as you walk outside, that mugginess really just hits you hard.
You can really feel it. I mean, with temperatures this morning, the upper 60s, low 70s, you certainly can feel it with that humidity up around 90% at this point. So you're going to continue to see the muggy, mild conditions for at least the next week or so, cooling off a little bit by the beginning of next week.
All right, Cam, thanks so much. Straight ahead, parents